Okay, so now we're going to talk about the finite and infinite sets. When we say finite, it is accountable elements. So we can say na nabibilang dapat natin yung finite. No? So samantalang yung iba binabasa ito as finite. No? It's up to you. So if it has not, the set is infinite. So kapag hindi naman po natin kayang bilangin lahat, we cannot estimate, no? So that is an infinite. Pag sinabi natin natural numbers, that is an infinite, no? Pero kung may specific tayong tinutukoy, sabihin natin counting numbers from 1 to 100, so we have finite set. Okay, sample. So we will define if it is finite or infinite, no? So set F is a set of stars in the sky. Nabibilang mo ba yung mga stars natin in the sky? So therefore that is infinite, no? Because we cannot count the stars. Another one, set G is a set of integers between 0 and 10. So we are talking about the integers. So between 0 and 10, so that is 1 to 9, no? Therefore that is finite. Okay, another one, set H is a set of whole numbers. So whole numbers ang pinag-uusapan natin. Ang dami-dami nating whole numbers, no? So ayan, so that is infinite kasi sobrang hindi naman natin alam kung ano yung pinakatulo ng number, no? Next, set I is a set of numbers between 1 and 2. So, napaka ano nga yan, nasa pinakagitna lang na set of numbers. So madami-dami ito kasi we're talking about 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Ano nga ba susunod sa 1.9? No, that is 1.91, 1.92, 1.93. No, pataas ng pataas ng pataas. Pero madami, no, madami. Okay, we have also the empty set or the null set. So it is a set without an element is called an empty set or a null set and is denoted by an empty curly braces or a null set. So ito, pwede mong gamitin ito para to describe na walang element yung isang set, no? O di kaya ito. So ano ba yung mga sample natin ng mga set na wala naman, no? So mamaya magbibigay tayo ng mga example. Ito, sample. So set C is a set of multiples of 10 between 1 and 10. So we can say that there is a set of multiples of 10. Ang sabi kasi between 1 and 10. Pero kung sinabi dito from 1 to 10, meron tayong multiples of 10. That is 10. Kaso ang sinabi between 1 and 10. So ang makukuha lang natin dito 2 to 9. No, 2 to 9 pero hindi po sila multiples of 10 na between po sa 1 and 10. So therefore this is an empty set. Okay, another one, set W is a set of negative integers greater than 0. Negative integers greater than 0. Negative integers, mas malaki ba yung mga negative integers natin sa 0? No. So therefore this is an empty set. No. Another one, set R is a set of months that starts with letter B. Ano ba yung months natin na nag-i-start sa letter B? Simulan natin January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Wala pong nabanggit na letter B. So therefore this is an empty set or null set.